Okay, hello people of the world. I made a film recently about our highest grossing films in history, and I'd rewritten the ranking chart by analysing it in a different way. But a friend said when I was comparing this chart and this chart, it was inconsistent because this is print off and this is thing. So I've basically, okay, so it's a bit more consistent. Okay, hopefully it's easy to read. So as I mentioned before, that's the first thing to see. I also spotted a mistake. Normally when you publish scientific research, they're sent to anonymous peer reviewers, other scientists who you don't know the names of, who check it for mistakes, but I can't do that with the YouTube videos. So when I was going over the calculations, I realised there were some errors in them. I spotted that yeah, what I spotted was when I compared E.T. and Jurassic Park, that here E.T. takes about twice Jurassic Park's total 1.5 billion. E.T. took about 3 billion, just about. When I originally worked this out, this is coming out differently. It's more like about 1.5 times the amount, and I found an error. The error basically was in the price I used, and if you look at the old video, this is about 1.1 billion. That's 728 million. The error was because I had a 1993 price is £3.20. Okay, okay, and I used 1982. I had by accidentally used a price of 1.95 when I should have in fact used £1.66. Okay, for the average prices. Because it depends what data set you're using. So that was the reason why when I changed this price to this price, suddenly the values change, and I get this value 1.3 billion against that, which is almost twice that. It's about 1.9 times that is 1.9 times that, and that is about 1.9 times that. Okay, 1.5. So this chart is much more accurate now. I also forgotten in my original chart to mention Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, which comes up in other charts. That was, I believe, the highest grossing sound film and colour film in history before Gone with the Wind came along, and it's also one of the most popular kids films. It's one of the most popular kids films of all time. It was released in 1937, I think. So when you adjust it up by inflation, it comes out at 1.9 billion, just under 2 billion at 2010 prices. So I put that in the chart as well because that's a very famous film. I think that is the biggest ticket selling cartoon film in history. So yeah, so this is basically my new correct chart where I've rewritten the ranks. I mentioned Endgame in this one as well. That actually came out in about 2019 or something like that. I think about 2019. And The Force Awakens is way at the bottom. Avatar's right down. So